Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So it's been a couple of weeks since I posted a video. Maybe, I'm not sure how long it's been actually, maybe more than a couple. But I wanted to give my viewers a explanation. Normally my father and I care for my mother, who is immobile and has dementia. And he and I both do that together. It's sort of a two-person job. But then he injured himself. He got a case of gout, and he's been in a wheelchair for 2-3 weeks, something like that. I don't know. And that's really meant that I've been either too busy or too tired to come out here and work in the shop, which is unfortunate. There was a couple of things that I had wanted to make videos about, but I didn't get the opportunity to do so. But anyway, I wanted to touch on a couple of things today, and it's a little different than my usual videos. I don't really have a restoration, but a couple things I wanted to talk about. Number one is, I get a lot of comments about my fiber wheel that I use on the grinder. A lot of people are inevitably, when I post a video, somebody will say, "Hey, what is that and where is it?" So I'm going to post a link to where I got it on Amazon. I'll post that in the video description. And also I shot a little bit of footage showing how I replace it. And so let's take a look at that. So when you order it from Amazon, this is actually the page on Amazon where I ordered it. And when it arrives, it comes looking just about like this. And you'll notice it's pretty thick. And one of the problems is that the arbor is not far enough to get through there and for you to catch it with a nut. So here's what I like to do. I take a hex nut and get a couple of washers that are, actually I probably need some bigger than that. Let me remove the old one, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So what I like to do is I like to take these washers and I put it through there like that, and I put this one through there like that. Whoops. And I go ahead and close it up. And I try to center it as much as I can, because there's some play in the bolts. So I center it as much as I can, and then now I've squeezed that in so that when I go put it on the arbor, I'll have a little bit of thread that I can catch it on. So I'm gonna let that set for just a second. I don't know if that helps it or anything, but if I let it set for a second, I feel like maybe that won't bounce back as quickly. Okay, let's give it a shot. Let's see what happens. I also have something else I wanted to show you. One of my viewers, Rick McFadden, was nice enough to send me this maul tool. You've seen my toolbox probably back there that has the maul logo on it. Well, this has the maul logo as well. And I guess he had made some purchase and this was in the drawer or something. So anyway, he sent this to me, and it's a drill saw. And I guess what you do is you connect your drill right up to this, and then your saw blade goes here, and you can use it as a circular saw of sorts. It doesn't have a blade, and so I went to Home Depot and I saw this, and I thought, hey, oh, that's about the size of that little saw. So I bought it, and of course you have to tear it open to get it out. And anyway, it's not the right size. It's too big, and so you know, if you want this thing, let me know and I'll send it to you. So I don't have any use for it. But anyway, I wanted to thank Rick. Thank you very, very much. I really appreciate it. Rick was also kind enough to send a bunch of other tools that you'll be seeing in future episodes, I'm sure. Anyway, that's all I've got for now. I've got a bunch of tools I want to work on and get restored and to make videos out of, but I wanted to get something posted and let everyone know that I'm still around. I just haven't posted lately, so hopefully we'll see you very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.